Hi everyone, James here from the Excire team. And in today's video, I'm excited to share with you how you can find pretty much any image in your Lightroom catalog with help from Excire's cutting-edge prompt search AI feature. Now, for me, prompt search, it's the absolute best way to find and retrieve photos or even now videos from deep within your Lightroom library. And it doesn't require any real work on your part either. You don't have to spend time prepping your images in advance with keywords or tags. You just describe whatever it is that you're looking for. And then as long as those images have been initialized in your Lightroom library, they'll just appear. Let me show you how this works. Make sure the Excire Search panel is open. You can do this in the Lightroom Library module by choosing Library, plug in Extras, and then hitting Open Excire Search panel, though personally, I prefer to just hit Alt+X on my Windows keyboard or Option+X on a Mac, and the panel will just pop right up. And you can also set the panel to appear whenever you open Lightroom Classic, and I explain this in my Excire Search panel tutorial video. Anyway, the full panel looks like this, and it has these image previews, but if you hit this Hide Photos button here, you get this little strip that gives you access to a wide variety of Excire tools without really getting in the way. So once the panel's open, you're simply going to click this icon right here, and it'll bring up the Search by Text Prompt dialog box. For your average search, all you're going to have to do is go ahead and type in a description of the image you're looking for into the search field, and then just click Start. So if you're a bird photographer and you want to grab a photo of a bald eagle to share on social media, you could just go ahead and search here for bald eagle flying, and then you'd go ahead and just click Start. And almost instantly, the relevant images appear. I type in my description, I immediately have the images I want, and that's what makes this tool just so incredibly powerful. So let me show you a bit more here. Let's head back to the Excire Search panel and choose this Search by Text Prompt tool again. And this time I'm going to search for Velociraptor. Now, there's something important here, which is that I don't actually have a photo of a velociraptor in my catalog, but prompt search's understanding is so context aware that even if you don't have the image you've described, Excire will still give you associated images. So when I hit Start here, I'm going to get birds and lizards, and then in one case, an image of a T-Rex sculpture of sorts, simply because those elements are so heavily associated with and related to velociraptors. Because you can't find what you don't have, but Excire will give you the closest possible images. So let's head back to the search panel again and then choose the prompt search option here. And let's try something different, something a bit more abstract. You see, one of the amazing things about Excire's prompt search technology is that it can identify images using abstract terms, such as love or sadness or relaxation. So if you want to make a print for your living room, and you know you want the image to be calm and relaxing and include a beach, you could just go ahead and try searching relaxing at the beach. I'm going to hit enter to start this and just see what we get. And as we saw before, and now we see again, prompt search is just really accurate, and it's accurate here too. I get images that don't just show people relaxing on the beach, but that convey that sense of relaxation. But what if you're not getting the results that you want? Well, that's when you can use the customization tools. So let me go back to the search panel here. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Search by Text Prompt option. And let's just take a look at our various settings. So first we have a similarity limit here. This refers to how closely the resulting images must match your search description. So if you push this towards restrictive, then Excire will only return images that very closely align with your search terms. But if you push this towards loose, your results will be a lot more varied. You also have the option to change the maximum number of images that the search is actually going to return. And I normally leave this at 100, but sometimes it is helpful to increase it when I want to see a lot of results from my catalog. And it's also worth noting that you can specify where you want to search in your catalog. By default, prompt search is going to look through your entire photo library, but you can choose to narrow this to the film strip instead if you prefer. So let me do one more search for you here. I'll reset everything. Let me just go ahead and reset this limit. And then I'll specifically look for images of the Eiffel Tower at night. And I'm going to search the entire catalog, want 100 results maximum, and just go ahead and hit enter. And the top result here is absolutely perfect. It's exactly what I was looking for because Excire's prompt search tool has done it again. That's the power of prompt search. It's fast, it's accurate, and it works even with abstract or complex descriptions. So give it a try and see just how easy it is to surface the exact photo that you had in mind, even from deep within your Lightroom library. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, click that like button. Of course, for more tips and tutorials on Excire's AI-powered photo management tools, subscribe to our channel.